This was worth the heartburn. I had a ton of leftovers from the Super Supreme Pasta Bake video, and for whatever reason, I was craving chili, so here we go. Starting with 4 slices of thick-cut bacon, then ground beef, pork, and Italian sausage went in the bacon grease, with the beef and pork getting some SP&G. Then I added chopped mushrooms, green peppers, and red onions. And I get yelled at whether or not I drain the grease, so I split the difference and drain some of it and let the rest absorb. Into the crockpot goes all the meat and veggies, 2 cans of chili beans, 2 cans of dark red kidney beans, rinsed and drained, a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a small can of green chilies, 1 cup of Jack Daniels, cause why the heck not, a box of beef broth, and not quite 2 ounces of chili powder. I stirred it all up and then realized I forgot the bacon, so that went in the pool, and then the lid went on for 4 hours on high. And here's how it turned out. The only good idea Cincinnati ever had is serving chili with pasta, and I had a baggie of spiral pasta on the shelf, or else I would have used egg noodles. Got some freshly grated sharp cheddar, and some garlic pepper fried onions. Solid 9.5 out of 10.